Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Jay. I'm so glad to be back down here in my craft room. I had to take a little bit of time off, but I'm back. I'm trying to get back into the swing of things. I sat down here to do a Saturday morning make and I thought, okay, this is good. It feels good to be back down here. So I'm glad you guys are here. Thank you for all of your questions and worrying about where I was, and I'm back. And I'll probably explain it in another video because I have something that I need to share that's associated with where I've been. So I'll do that in a future video so you'll know where I've been. But just thank you for coming back. To all my subscribers and all my friends, thank you for coming back. And I did a card that says enjoy the simple things in life. I used dye to cut that out and everything like that just to get me back in. So this is the first thing I made when I came back into crafting. So what I did was I went to get I love these rubber necker stamps, and I've been playing around with them for a while. And I said, let me make something, because I had a couple of friends who had done some things for me, and I said, let me make them something. So I got my stamps. I stamped them on dollar store tissue paper. Since I'm not into sublimation or any of that stuff and don't want to get into that right now, I went to the Dollar Tree and I got some of these Dollar Tree mug things here. I'm hoping the thing does it well here. So I got some of these Dollar Tree mugs and I tissue papered them on, and I used this Mod Podge dishwasher safe Mod Podge. So I put it all over. I washed it once I put it on there to see if it would go right and if you could wipe on it, and you can. So I Mod Podged it on. Came out pretty good, I think. I think it looks pretty good. It's on there pretty smooth. And then on the back, I put Black Queen, the most powerful piece in the game, because I'm giving this to a friend. So I did that. I did that one. And then I did this other one, and this one says Melanin Poppin'. I hope I'm getting it on here pretty good, and I hope you're able to, hope you're able to see it. Let me move it back up a little bit so you could see it, because I don't know if I got it in frame or not in frame, but there it is. So I put it on these, and these are found in the Dollar Tree at the Dollar Tree Plus section, where I think these were $5. So I made these two for friends, and I think they both came out really good using these rubber necker stamps. So stamped them down on tissue paper. Let me know if you want me to do a process video so you can see how they're done. But easy. Don't forget, dishwasher safe Mod Podge. And I did wash them off, and they did come off, and they washed off really good. But you got to do a little hand washing. I don't think you could it says you could put it on your first level, at the top level of your dishwasher, but I haven't done that yet. I may test it before I give it to my friend. So then, since I was Mod Podging like crazy, I decided to make her some coasters. So I made this one. It says you make every day awesome. I did this one with the little girl on it. It says faith makes all things possible. I did this one, the Melanin Bunch. And I did this one, Black, Classy, and a Bit Sassy. So I'm back into my crafting. I'm really happy to be doing this. I need to thank my friend Michelle, and she's Miss Seashell here on the YT. So if you have a chance, go check out her channel. This is all done for Saturday Morning Makes, and Saturday Morning Makes is a crafting, get yourself doing something crafting, and it's sponsored by Jillian Norwood of Greenwood Girl cards. Thank you, Jillian, for having this, and thank you for, because it got me back into crafting after 3 months. I go, let me do a Saturday morning makes. So thank you all. If you like this video and if you like what I'm doing here on my channel, I haven't been here for a while. I appreciate a thumbs up and some likes and some comments. So take care, everyone. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye now.